Hello students, today we discuss about the crashing sum. So already we discussed the crashing technology. So how we use in the sum. So this is the sum. So they are giving the activity A to F. Then precedence A. First two there is a null. Then after that this is the precedence. This is the normal cost. This is the crash cost. Afterwards I will tell like instead of this is the normal time, this is the crash time. Okay, activity, precedence, normal cost, crash cost, normal time, then crash time. This is given by the sum. Then we have to draw the path. Start. So first we have to start A and B. There is no precedence. So start A and B. Then C, the present is A. So C to A. Then D, the present is A and B. So D, A and B. You connected A and B. Then E present is C and D. So E, C and D we have to connect. Then F, B and D. So F, there is a D is connected. So from this we have to connect the B, then we have to give the finish. Okay. So next one is we have to find out the crash periods available. The formula is normal time minus crash time. So how many crash periods available? So how we calculate the normal time minus the crash time? Here we have the normal time. Here we have the crash time. 4 minus 2 equal to 2. That is I put here. So 4 minus 2 equal to 2. So this is the value. So then for B, 9 minus 7 equal to 2. So then C, 9 minus 8 equal to 1. For D, 3 minus 2 equal to 1. So for E, E minus E equal to 0. E minus E equal to 0. Then for F, 4 minus 3 equal to 1. So we have to minus the value of 4 normal time and the crash time. So we have to retrieve the value 2, 2, 1, 1, 0, 1. So we have to subtract 4 minus 2, 9 minus 7, 9 minus 8, 3 minus 2, 5 minus 5, 4 minus 3. So we got this value 2, 2, 1, 1, 0, 1. Here I write 2, 2, 1, 1, 0, 1. This is the crash periods available. Clear? Next one. So cost to crash. There is a slope value. Cost to crash. Slope value. So for that formula is crash cost minus normal cost divided by crash periods available. So crash cost. Here we mentioned here. Crash cost is 1100. So the crash cost is more than the normal cost or equal to the normal cost. Here A 700, here 1100, here 900, 1000, 300, 400, 400, 475, 600, 600, 800, 950. The crash cost is more than the normal cost or equal to the normal cost. So first we take the crash cost of A, 1100. So 1100 minus normal cost. Here the minus normal cost. Now here 1100 minus 700 divided by crash periods available. We already calculated for A. Here we list out that crash cost is 2. So divided by 2. So 1100 minus 700 equal to 400 divided by 2 equal to 200. Like that you calculate for all A, B, C, D, E, F. Here I wrote. So this is for 200 because 1100 minus 700 divided by 2. So like that you have to put the 1000 minus 900 equal to 100 divided by 2 because here the cost is 2. So 50. So here also 400 minus 300 equal to 100. 100 divided by 100. So here only 1. here divided by 1, the 100 only. So like that you calculate for all. Here also 475 minus 400 it is 75. Here 1 75. Here 600 minus 600 0 only. So 0 0. So 800 minus 950 minus 800 150. 150 divided by 1 150. So like that you have to calculate the value of crash to cross. So this is the, we are calculating crash periods available, then crash to cross. Then we have to calculate the, so they are given the goal of 16 weeks. So we are considering the path. So what are the possible path to finish the work? So here A, C, E, A, D, E, B, D, E, B, D, F, then B, F. So this is the shortest path to complete the work. So here A, C, E, A, D, E, A, D, F, sorry. Here also A, D, F, then B, D, E, B, D, F, then B, F. So these are all the paths to calculate. So we have to calculate the path, then we have to attain the value of those paths, then we have to equal to the goal of the week. How many weeks we have to need? So first one, A, C, E. A value for, that is the normal time. Normal time to calculate here. We have taken for the normal time. So we have to assign the value of the normal time only. Not any other time, only the normal time we have to assign. So A for 4. Here A equal to 4. C equal to here 9. C equal to 9. 9. Then E equal to this 5. So here 5. So 4 plus 9 plus 5 equal to 18. Clear? Like that we have to calculate A, D, E, A, D, F, B, D, E, B, D, F, B, F. So you calculate like this now. So for A, 4, can taken the value from the normal time. These are all the normal time. Clear? Normal time. So you calculate and add the value. 4 plus 9 plus 18. 4 plus 3 plus 5, 12. 4 plus 3 plus 4, 11. 9 plus 3 plus 5, 17. 9 plus 3 plus 4, 16. 9 plus 4, because it have a two values only, B and F. So it is a 9 plus 4 equal to 30. So they already given 16 is the goal. Correct na? Goal of the week 16 weeks. So here this is also this is the critical time, critical path, because it's more than 16. Here 17 is there, 16 is there, others are less than the 16, but here only 18. So we have to reduce the 18, 17 and 16 for reducing the path. Here we have to reduce the 18 to 16. Correct? So first we have to reduce the any one of the value. So here we can reduce the A value, A time to 3. So we are converting the time A to 3 means reducing the time means we can reduce all the time of A. So here A is 3, we have to reduce. Then here it is 17. Then we have to reduce the another next A, because we have to reduce all the A working time for 1, reducing by 1. So here 4 minus 1, 3. Here also 18 minus 1 equal to 17. So here 4 minus 1 equal to 3. Here 12 minus 1 equal to 11. Here. Then here also 4 minus 1 equal to 3. Here 11 minus 1 equal to 10. Okay. Again it is in the critical path only, because it is 17. So again it will come to 16. So how we will use? Then we have to reduce the another value. Another cycle value we can reduce now. So C, we have to take the C value. C we have to reduce to 8, means it will come to 16. So here I will reduce 9 to 8. Here it is come to normal time 17 to 16. Here there is no C, other C's are not available because only one C is there, ACE. There is no C for other C. So that's why we cannot reduce for other time, only C can reduce. So it comes to 16. So it will achieve the goal of the 16 week. Clear? Next come to already 16 is there, 17 is there. 17 is there now. So we have to calculate that, we have to compute here BD is there, here BDF is there. Here we have to calculate B. We have to reduce B into 1, then 9 minus 1 equal to 8. Here also 16. So here also we have to reduce because B is there. So 8. So here also 15. Clear? Already it is in the achieved weeks, but we have to reduce this B na. So that's why we have to reduce this also. So it's come to 15. So others are achieved in the achieved week only because the goal is 16 week. So we achieved all the weeks in the achieved week. So what are all the things we have to reduce? First one is A. A is the 200 value. Correct na? The reduced cost. So here A is reduced to 200. Then C is reduced to 100. Then B is 50. Here I can write. So C equal to 100 because C is here. From here we have to reduce the C. Then for A we are calculated na. So that's why we are A, C. Then here B reduced. So B. So it's a 350 amount. So this is the reduced cost, crashing the cost. That's all.